$9,022 in literally a matter of hours. I'll be honest with you guys, I did not expect this result, but I wanted to share it with you guys. And you guys could see here, I was able to pass a 100K Apollo 11 challenge from Rocket 21 in a matter of 12 hours, guys. So in this video, I want to encourage you guys and show you that it is possible, but I'm going to show you my exact strategies, guys, on how I was able to pass this challenge in literally one day. As you guys could see, literally this is the dashboard. I literally was focusing a lot on Euro odd. As you guys could see here, if we were to move on, this is the actual setup I sent out in my VIP. I did let my students know that I was looking at Euro odd bullishness overall, which we're gonna go over this later in the video. So make sure you guys stick around to see that. I'm gonna show you exactly how I was able to spot out this trade and catch well over, I think what do we stop at here? At 72 pips. And that's where I took my profits. But you guys could see over here, it's well over 96 pips and it's still going strong. This area over here, this area over here, and this area over here. These are potential areas where I may see price pull back. Okay. Now, one of the things that you have to keep in mind, guys, and I will say this right away, when it comes to challenges, you have to always remember that risk management is important, because obviously I didn't have much drawdown. I was really focused on passing the challenge, but I was also focused on highest probable trade setups and not really just trying to get into whatever the market gave me. I waited for the setup to come to me, guys. And this is really important when it comes to your trading. Okay. So pay attention to this. When it comes to passing challenges, you need to understand that there is no pressure. There's no rush. Don't rush into things. I know that when I first started trading, I would always rush into the trades, thinking that, hey, you know what, I can get there quicker. But the more you rush into it, the more you're gonna lose the count, or the more you're gonna like make errors and mistakes. Another thing too that I really noticed about this too is the more you focus on those higher probable setups, the more higher chance you're gonna get a really good setup going in your favor. Focusing on the A+ setups, right? Everything's lining up, all your confluences are lined, right? You know, price is respecting a certain key area that you're focusing on. The market's going in the direction that you're hoping, right? You're not going against the market. You're not doing a counter trend trade, right? These are things that you want to focus on as a trader, right? As we could see here, team, you guys could see here on the dashboard, these are the trades that I took. Obviously, it was just on Euro odd. You saw this morning, I did take some trades on NASDAQ, a couple little losses, not too big. It was only like $92 and 160. I was just kind of testing the waters, but the markets were really unstable this morning. And then I really focused on Euro odd because I was nurturing this trade setup and waiting for the market to give me my entry signals for me to enter. So let's dive in, guys. Let's see how I was able to catch this opportunity and literally how this one trade was able to make me pass this challenge, guys. So let's continue on here and see what we actually saw. And as you guys could see, if we go up to the weekly, we can understand, and it's very clean, guys. When you see clean market structure like this, it's pretty evident what the market's going to do. It's going to tell you most likely what direction it wants to go. You can see pretty much we were creating higher highs and higher lows. If you look at it over here, we got the higher high, higher low, higher high, and potentially a higher low to the upside. Not only did we notice that, we created a high and we were in making bullish structure, right? So then I narrowed this down to the smaller time frame, like my daily, and I always like to look at the higher time frames because they actually help me understand the overall direction of the market, guys. And if you ever feel lost, you need to understand with your trading, guys, be moments where you just don't know where you are, and it's important to kind of look at the bigger picture, kind of step aside, step out, and look at it from a different perspective. And the best way possible is always go on the higher time frames. That's my best advice. Now let's move on to the daily. And what did we see here on the daily? If we look at the daily, I noticed that price gave us this strong bullish candle above here. If you focus on this candle right here, got that strong momentum impulse, right? And then I knew that most likely price was obviously going to retest this area over here and potentially come back down a little bit lower. Well, yesterday we did get much more of an extensive pullback. We had this wick form here on the daily, and if I clear the chart so you guys could see it a little bit better, you could see over here that we had price literally come down, pull back, reject this area, and then if we look at it over here, we saw price actually started forming new highs, and then I narrowed it down to the smaller time frame and I saw a bullish engulfing candle. Once I saw this bullish engulfing candle here on the 2-hour and the 1-hour, this was my entry signal. I knew that most likely there was a higher chance and higher probability that most likely price was going to go to the upside. Not only that, we saw our nice moving average breaking low and having price break above our 50 moving average. And you guys saw We got in here, we entered, and it was history from there, guys. So you guys could see over right now, it's over 107 pips. Roughly, this is where I entered, around this area here, actually. So it's about, it's basically 100 pips at where it's at right now, 102 pips in our favor, guys. All in one trade. Everything's here, guys. The whole proof you guys could see. I only need one more trading day, and I've literally passed this challenge in literally less than 12 hours. Now, you can do this too, guys. Literally, all you have to do is just be disciplined with your craft, stick to your trading plan, focus on high quality trade setups, and trust me, you will get these exact same results, and focusing on looking at market structure and sticking to your roadmap. Once you do that, you'll be able to easily pass challenges, be able to easily make profits, guys, like this. Is it easy all the time? Absolutely not. The markets will always come back. You know, you will have losses. That's part of the game. But I just showing you that if you do stick with your plan and you are disciplined, you will get the results you're looking for. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys smash the like button. Also, make sure you guys check out our free Telegram group, guys. We have an amazing community on there. And also, if you want to take these trades like this, like my other VIP students that profited from this exact same trade, make sure you guys check out my VIP Inner Circle, guys. The link is in the video description below. And let me know how this video helped you. Share it with someone that it might help them. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now. God bless.